When it comes to achieving strong joints and flawless glue-ups, the right woodworking clamp makes all the difference. In this video, we've picked the best woodworking clamps for every budget and project, from quick DIY repairs to professional furniture building. We'll compare their features, strengths, and overall value so you can choose the perfect clamp for your workshop. Be sure to check the links in the description box below for more details and the latest prices on every clamp featured. Number 1 is the Irwin Quick Grip Mini Bar Clamp. If you tackle small projects or work in tight corners, this clamp earns its spot in your toolbox. Its one-handed trigger lets you clamp and release instantly, freeing your other hand for the actual work. Non-marring pads keep delicate surfaces scratch-free, while the reinforced resin and hardened steel construction delivers up to 150 pounds of clamping force without bending or flexing. The patented pistol grip design keeps things comfortable, even during extended use, making it well-suited for woodworking, crafting, and light construction. It won't offer the bells and whistles of larger clamps, but between its compact build, budget-friendly price, and lifetime guarantee, it delivers dependable, no-fuss holding power exactly when you need it. Number 2 is the Jorgensen Easy Hold Bar Clamp. It blends convenience, versatility, and strength, making it a favorite among woodworkers. One-handed operation lets you adjust on the fly, while the 24 inches maximum opening and 300 pounds load limit handle everything from delicate joinery to heavy-duty builds. Its standout trick, converting into a spreader clamp, giving you extra flexibility for oversized or awkwardly shaped pieces. High-carbon steel construction ensures long-term durability, and the glass-filled nylon handle stays comfortable and slip-resistant even during extended sessions. A quick release lever speeds up adjustments, and the contoured grip cuts down on fatigue. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or working professional, this clamp brings serious performance and adaptability to any project. Number 3 is the Pony 50 Clamp Fixture. For dependable, no-nonsense clamping, it delivers. Its hardened steel construction resists bending and flexing, while the crank-type handle provides controlled, even tightening. The 1 3/4 inch square clamp faces grip materials firmly, ideal for projects requiring precise pressure. A baked enamel finish adds polish while guarding against corrosion, and the hole-free, rivet-free design keeps it running smoothly through heavy, repeated use. It mounts easily onto any 3/4 inches black pipe, adapting to nearly any workshop setup. And at just 2.8 pounds, it's sturdy yet easy to move around. Backed by a lifetime warranty and priced affordably, the Pony 50 is a dependable essential for furniture building, fine woodworking, or everyday DIY tasks. Number 4 is the Kreg KHC-Premium 3 inches face clamp. It brings precision and comfort together for reliable flush joints. Ergonomic padded handles reduce hand fatigue and boost control, making it easy to use whether you're a weekend DIYer or a seasoned pro. An adjustable screw mechanism lets you fine-tune the fit to your material's thickness, and the 3 inches reach handles a wide range of wood sizes, from delicate trim to heavier stock. It shines especially with pocket hole joinery, applying steady, even pressure for strong results. Backed by Kreg's trusted reputation for quality woodworking tools, this clamp carries a higher price tag than basic options, but its durability, adjustability, and comfort make it a smart investment for anyone chasing professional-grade results. Number 5 is the HORUSDY 8-pack bar clamp set. It gives you a full range of clamping options in one bundle: 4 6 inches bar clamps, 2 12 inches bar clamps, and 2 6 inches spring clamps. The 6 inches clamps open up to 11 9/64 inches, while the 12 inches versions stretch to 17 21/64 inches, covering most everyday project needs. Built with a durable nylon body and hardened steel bar, this set holds up to frequent heavy-duty use. A quick change button lets each F-clamp convert into a spreader. Just push the button, flip the jaws, and reinstall. With 150 pounds of squeeze capacity, metal ratchet construction, and non-slip flexible pads, these clamps deliver strong, secure holds while staying lightweight and easy to handle. Number 6 is the WORKPRO 16-piece nylon spring clamp set. It packs versatility and value into one affordable bundle. With 3 3/8 inches, 4 4.5 inches, and 6.5 inches sizes, it handles everything from woodworking to photography setups. Reinforced nylon construction keeps the clamps lightweight yet resistant to cracking, delivering a secure hold you can count on. Ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue during extended use, while durable pads protect surfaces from scratches and marks. With 3 jaw sizes on offer, the set adapts easily to different project demands, and its compact design makes storage simple. Combining solid construction with a budget-friendly price, this set is a smart pick for DIYers and professionals wanting dependable clamps for a wide range of tasks. That wraps up our picks for the best woodworking clamps you can buy today. We hope this guide helped you find the right clamp for your projects and budget. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and woodworking tips. You'll find links to all the woodworking clamps featured in this video in the description box below, along with the latest prices and additional details.